Resources and curriculum hosted on this website are powered by Cosmos, an authoring and publishing platform by Atlas Learning. As a teacher, we let you send the resources from this publisher to your learning management system. Your students can access the content through the LMS, and grades can be easily passed back to your gradebook. If you don't have a learning management system, we let you manage courses and students through the publisher's portal. So let's get started. First, log into the portal if you haven't already. Click the Account Sign In button in the upper right-hand corner and select the LMS that your school or organization uses. If you're given the credentials or sign up individually, enter them into the login screen. For our purposes, we've already logged in with a Schoology account. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access the content that you, your school, or your organization has purchased. If you're looking for more information on purchasing, check out the tutorial video in the description. Once you're logged in, access the Purchase tab. Now find and click the product that you want to access. This will open up the list of product variations, so select the one you want to view. This will bring you to the unit structure. Curriculum resources are listed under different teaching units. These resources can be lessons, lesson plans, quizzes, individual pages, and other types of media. There are two ways to view the resource. Either click the dots next to the resource and select View Resource, or simply click in the center of the resource. The resource can contain text, videos, images, embeddable objects, and interactive questions. You may see resources that include teacher tips, which are only seen by you and not by anyone you assign the resource to. The resource may also reference another resource. For example, a link to the self-check quiz can be found in the lesson plan. In order to assign content, select Assign Resource in the top right-hand corner of the page when you're viewing a resource. Or you can select the dots next to the name of the resource when you're viewing the curriculum and click Assign Resource. You will then see a list of your courses that have been brought in from your LMS. If you're using an account that is not tied to an LMS, you'll instead see the list of courses that you created in the Courses tab. Select the course you want to assign the resource to, and then click Assign. Then, you can either click View Now, which will bring you to the resource now located in your LMS, or you can select Stay Here to remain on the platform. Now we'll take a look at how these resources will appear in an LMS. In the previous example, we assigned a resource to a course in Schoology. If we log into Schoology, we can see the resource listed as an assignment in the course we assigned it to. We can then click on the assignment and open it. We could have also reached this resource by simply clicking Assign Resource on the resource in the portal and reopening it. Your students will be able to view the resource by logging into their LMS and navigating to your course where it's located. If you don't have an LMS, you can still use these resources with your class. After creating an account on the Publisher portal, navigate to the Courses tab in the portal. Here, you can create courses, add students, and view previously assigned work. You can learn more about managing a non-LMS account in the support video linked below. Let's take a look at how your student will view and respond to questions and assessments in the resource. We've logged into Schoology as a student. We can see the previously assigned resource and click it to access the content. Now, we'll answer these multiple choice questions. And now we'll submit our work. Now, we'll take a look at how you can view the responses. When you view the resource, you'll see the teacher view. You can see the student responses to quiz questions and assignments by clicking Full Results. Here, you'll see how your individual students answer the questions. When viewing the full results, you'll also be given the option to add and deduct points based on the responses. As a teacher, you also have the option to view the resource as a student and to see the complete results by selecting Student Insights. You can see how many assignments of the resource the student has completed, how many times students have viewed the resource, and how long the student has been in the resource. If you need a student to resubmit a quiz, you can select the Require Resubmission icon. You can also track student progress by standards if the resource was tagged with standards by the publisher. After your class has completed the quiz or assignment, you can sync the grades to your learning management system. Simply select Sync to LMS, and the grades will automatically appear in your LMS gradebook. If you do not have an LMS or you use an outside gradebook, you can also download the results as a CSV file.